Hello YouTube. Oh dear, my battery's flat on my camera. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'll have enough time for this. Mate of mine sold me this today. £20. He sold it as a non-working generator, didn't know if it worked or not. It's a Honda generator E1500. It has both 240 volts and 115 volts out on it, as well as a 12 volt tap on the side as well, which is rated up to I think 15 amps. It's a nice little generator, nice, slim and compact. Let's have a look at the specs. What have we got here? 1.25 kVAs, 50 Hertz, 12 volts at something, not sure what that is there. Looks like it's 8.3 amps, but it's got a 15 amp fuse in it, which is quite nice. I'll zoom out. Nice circuit breakers on there. Rated at 240 volts, rated at 7 amps, and the 115 is rated at 12.5. Engine is alright. The pull cord's pretty short on it. That's been changed a few times. That's your pull cord length. Not much of a pull cord. The thing inside it does, what do you call it? Catch sometimes when it's running, but it doesn't really matter that much. Belt driven, which is nice. Which you could put any engine on this, I suppose. Yeah, governor restrictor there. It's automatically set to fully open, which is I thought was a bit dangerous, but that's how Honda has it set up. They automatically set the choke so it's up, so it's fully open. The choke, sorry, the throttle, so it's fully open. All in all, it's in good condition. It's very heavy. It's a bit, yeah, it's scuffed up a bit. There's paint on it all over the place, but see if we can get it running and see what it's like. Got no idea what this will look like, so I'll put the camera down there. See how well it goes. Sure enough, it is a Honda, so a bit of tinkering, and it did fire up, but it didn't fire up for very long. It's a pretty cold day, so let's give it a bit of choke. Fuel's on, engine switch is on. Yeah, that's all nice and good. It's it doesn't trip out when you switch it on, that's a good sign. Let's plug something into it. .240 volt side. I haven't got a 110 or 115 volt plug, so I can't really test it on that. It's all there. Let's see if it all lights up. Turn my screen around so I can see what it looks like. Don't mind my stupid hair. It's all over the place today. That's on. That's on. 240 volt is off at the moment. Put the jumper back in. Oh, helps if you turn the engine on. well, I ain't gonna grumble at 20 quid. I think that was well spent. That's a 2000 watt little heater, and yeah, the generator's not really rated for that, but it was running it, so I'm pretty chuffed with that. I'm not sure if the other side works. Oh, my battery's really flat. I'm not sure if the 115 volt works or not. Not tested that. I haven't got the bits to test it with, but yes, that's not bad. It also takes the same fuel cap, with it being a Honda. It takes the same fuel cap as the Honda MT50 does. Hehehe. Not bad. Yeah, I'm pretty chuffed with that. That was 20 quid well spent, that was. Maybe we could have a bit of fun with this and the hydrogen generator. Hooking the hydrogen generator directly up to 240 volts. Mind you, we could tap into either side, the 115 volts or the 230 volt. Trying to feed that directly into the engine. Well, maybe, with it being a Honda, what I'll try and do is put the small engine on there, that Honda GX 50, just as a test. We've got somewhere running around just over there, because it looks the same engine. It's just in there. So we'll see what that one does if we stick that on that thing. Yeah. Oh, 20 quid well spent that was. Well chuffed with that. Well chuffed. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.